trick to great beans and legumes is to concentrate the cooking liquid while you're cooking. Some chefs call this the reduction method. Ooh, look at these beautiful vegetarian beans spiced up with Mississippi Creole spice. Okay, Johnny, help me get this into the pan here. We're using a 2-inch solid pan. Pour that right in there. Notice I'm using a spatula to get every last little drop. Okay, let's get this in the combi. Ooh, our spicy Creole beans are ready. Let's check them. Okay. Putting on our mitts, reaching in, getting our pan of beans. Oh, they look and smell fabulous. Notice how the cooking liquid has thickened. Okay, that's concentrating all of the flavors and making it really, really tasty. Look at that. So what you would do before service is you would take your spoon and give them a stir, but notice the thickness around the bean. Okay, that's gonna give you so much flavor when you go to taste this. Easy and delicious beans and legumes every time.